Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the future of air combat with a closer look at the 2026 version of the JF-17 Thunder, a fighter jet that's not only redefining the skies but also reshaping the global defense market. The JF-17 Thunder, also known as the FC-10 in China, is a lightweight, multi-role fighter jet developed jointly by Pakistan and China. Since its induction, the Thunder has steadily evolved, and the 2026 variant marks a major leap forward in terms of technology, avionics, and combat capability. Designed to be both cost-effective and highly capable, the JF-17 has found a unique place among nations looking for modern fighters without breaking the bank. The 2026 JF-17, often referred to as the Block 4 or JF-17C, brings a host of improvements over its predecessors. At the heart of these upgrades is its new AESA radar system. This active electronically scanned array radar gives the Thunder advanced detection and tracking capabilities, enabling it to lock onto multiple targets at long range with precision. With this radar, the JF-17 can now compete with 4th and even 4.5 generation fighters on the battlefield. Another key upgrade is its revamped avionics suite. The cockpit now features a wide-angle holographic head-up display and a fully digital glass cockpit. These enhancements improve pilot situational awareness, reduce workload, and increase reaction time in high-stress environments. Enhanced electronic warfare systems have also been integrated, boosting the jet's survivability in hostile territory. Under the hood, the Thunder now packs a more powerful and efficient engine, likely a modernized Rode 93 mAh or a similar variant. This provides greater thrust, allowing for improved speed, agility, and payload capacity. The airframe has also received structural refinements, making it more aerodynamic and slightly stealthier than previous versions. Weaponry is another area where the 2026 JF-17 shines. The new variant supports a wider array of modern missiles and precision-guided munitions, from the PL-10 and PL-15 to air missiles to smart bombs and anti-ship missiles. The Thunder is now more versatile than ever. This means it can seamlessly switch roles between air superiority, ground attack, and maritime strike missions. What truly sets the JF-17 apart, especially in 2026, is its balance between performance and affordability. While Western jets like the F-16 and Rafale come with sky-high price tags, the JF-17 offers similar capabilities at a fraction of the cost. This makes it a strategic choice for countries with limited defense budgets but growing security needs. Pakistan, the primary operator of the JF-17, continues to upgrade its fleet with these latest variants, signaling confidence in the jet's long-term role. Export interest has also grown, with nations in Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia showing serious interest in the 2026 model. As we look ahead, the JF-17 Thunder stands as a symbol of technological progress, strategic collaboration, and military independence. With each new variant, it's not just keeping pace with the world's top fighter set, it's carving out its own legend. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends, where air power meets insight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and fly with us next time.